Next, we are going to see how to draw the cut belt. I have shown here a blue color line. For this purpose, we require the measure of front body width, including the 1 inch we have added. Then reduce the width of the body dot minus half inch from this measure. That is, if the dot width is 2 inches, then I am going to minus 1.5 inches from the front body width. If you keep bust dot length as 2 inches, then you can reduce 1.5 inches, and if it is 2.5 inches, then you have to reduce 2 inches from the front body width. That is, you have to reduce half an inch from the dot width, whatever be the dot width. Now you are going to see how to draw front cut belt or waistband as it is called otherwise. I have drawn a straight line equal to the front body width, and I am reducing the length of the line by 1.5 inches as said above. Now I am marking the 2.5 inches which I have kept at this side. Similarly, for the other side, I am keeping it at 2 inches. Now you can see the mark clearly. Next, from here to here, we have kept 2.5 inches, and from here to here, we have kept 2 inches. Add 1 inches to this line, which will give us 3.5 inches, and extend the line. Similarly, with this side, add 1 inches, which will give us 3 inches, and extend the line. Now we will join these two lines through a straight line. From here, measure 3.5 inches and place a dot. Mark another point half inches below this dot. Now we can draw the shape. The cut blouse is called cut blouse because of the cut belt which we are attaching to the garment. We have now seen how to draw the cut belt. So now we have the front and back portions as well as the cut belt for the cut blouse. The other portion required is the sleeves, drawing of which is identical to the sleeves mentioned in the ordinary blouse lesson. Since I have already taught you how to draw the diagram of sleeves in the previous lesson, I am not going to explain it here. The next thing which we are going to see is how to lay the diagram on a cloth. When we say cut blouse, we normally get cloth with a width of 35 to 36 inches. This is the fabric edge and this is the folded portion of the cloth. We need only one folded back, and then we need 2 cut belts in the original fabric. Similarly, we require 2 front portions because the blouse is front open. Similarly, we need 2 open sleeves. We also need 5 bias pieces which are required for the neck. Right, we have folded the cloth into 2. We will now see how to lay the pieces into the cloth. Keep the front body portion and the cut belt together as shown in the diagram, and for the total length of these 2, take 2 pieces for front blanket. Keep the back fold in the folded portion of the cloth as shown here. The front portion can be inserted into the armhole as shown here. We can put the sleeves near to that. You can insert the cut belt here. There is a fold in this place, and therefore if we cut this place, you will get 5 pieces for bias from here. We can cut the 2 pieces of front blanket from here. Front blanket is the cloth piece in which we sew the hooks and eyes. Now we have seen how to lay the cut blouse. Here I have given you approximate measurement which you can use if you don't have the exact measures based on the chest rounds. The results will be better if you can take the actual measurement and use it. Here I have given you approximate measurement which you can use if you don't have the exact measures based on the chest round. The results will be better if you can take the actual measurement and use it. So if you are not able to take the measurement, then for 30 inch to 36 inch body, how to arrive at the front neck drop, back neck drop, top shoulder, bust point to bust point, I have shown in this chart. Similarly, for body up to 42 inches, I have shown in this chart. You can use it if you don't have the measurements. In the next lesson, we will show you how to take pattern, how to cut it in fabric, and how to stitch it and complete the garment. I request you to give your full attention to the lessons on cut blouse and ordinary blouse, because these are the basis on which we are going to do all the other blouses. So my request to you is that you try drawing the diagram for 5 to 10 different measures to make you familiarize and then go to the other lessons, because these are the basic lessons, and your success in these two lessons will ensure that you will succeed in learning the art of blouse making.